by this time of the day?
Is it not Miss Tikom?
What shall I do you?
Yes, she was flogging us with a bokobo. Not bokobo. She flogged us with koboko. She flogged us where?
She flog you. Is she mad?
Sometimes.
She mad? Ha!
Sometimes she's mad.
Who born the maga to flogging you? Wait, no go inside though. I will following you to your school now. Yes. I follow you and I will show what you call her name? Kilo te purukwe.
Miss Tikom.
I saw a lesson. Wait.
Are you sure you did not commit anything that made your teacher to flog you?
We commit? No.
Oh, you are asking me.
Was I there when people were flogged? Oh yeah, back. Oh yeah.
We didn't.
Oh yeah. So me Tikom. When I finish singing with her, she now be misbreeding. I will show her that I am a misbreeding. I have Yoruba blood, Igbo blood, Akutins, Isutins inside my blood. Oh yeah! Monica,
Where are you going?
Mama? Monica, make sure you ask what happened though before they were flogged. Mama, the flogging has been did. The deed has been did. Let us go and firing for firing. Oh yeah! Monica! Oh yeah! Mazuduna wants you to come and cut his palm fruit. I will mass the Uduna the palm fruit later. Oh yeah! 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 Sunday! Oh yeah!
Class, what does the bell say?
Tikom, Tikom.
Again.
Tikom, Tikom.
Again.
Tikom, Tikom.
See, if I finish with that Tikom, after today, if she has seen the two both of you, see at your ballet like this, I say, yes, yo.
Thank you, Auntie Monica.
AKA fight now, food. QED, let's go.
You can now start. You have 1 hour to pass your papers. No giraffe, no trade by banter. Have I made myself clear?
Yes,
Class, breathe.
Hami. How is you?
fine.
How is
Thank you. God bless.
how is your parenting? Good children, sit down. But you are not you people I coming to find. It's your teacher. Thank you. Madam, please can I saw you in a private outside?
Okay.
Thank you.
Class, you have 30 minutes to pass your papers. Don't forget to write your name on the answer sheet, okay?
Yes, Auntie.
Now go pass you.
So yes, how may I help you?
Hey, I have something I want to show you in that corner. Please follow me.
I hope it's not something bad.
No, it's not a bad thing. Follow me. Oh yeah.
What are these mannerless folks doing here in school? I sent them home and told them not to come back here again till further notice.
Don't tap your mouth! It's because of your grammatical. That is why I'm visiting you here. Look me in the eye. I is Monica Lewinsky, aka Fast Now Food, and the two boss brother is my brother.
So
why are you flogging them?
who are you to come here and question me if I have done anything on my line of duty?
Stand there! Where is she waiting? Bounce back! Bounce! Hey, guys, move back! I said bounce back!
Are you crazy?
Oh yeah, look at this Kenny. Oh yeah, take one. Take that one. You take out. You see this Kenny? I will bulala your yash. Oh yeah, shoot your shot. Move it. Oh yeah, move there.
Please, I did my job as a teacher. I did not.
I said move.
I didn't do anything wrong. Please now.
Please, my brother. Oh yeah, your dear. Your dear, you mean bring it to your bumble house. Your dear, Nala, your dear. Your dear. Oh yeah, good night. Fire. What is now? Oh yeah, Mister.
No. That's why you beat us. You don't know say that. You don't say that beat it.
I be your party now. Why you could and again? I be your party now. Hey.
You will do it again.
So, you are not done with the food yet?
No. I'm the only one cooking. Don't worry, me. Your food will soon be ready, eh?
But where is Monica? She is supposed to be helping out.
She was to go and cut palm fruit for Udunna. But she has gone out with the boys to school.
To school to do what?
She's going to fight a teacher that flogged the boys.
And you allow that?
Nah, you are talking as if you don't know your daughter. I was trying to stop her, but she just went out with a bundle of canes.
Canes? Jesus Christ. This girl will kill me in this village. Eh? Hey!
Now, where are you going?
Let me go to the school.
You may not see her because she told me that she will proceed to Dunda's place after dealing with the girl. Oh.
God go punish all of you for me.
Will you stop that now? Monica, where are people coming from?
Papa, I went to their school to taught their teacher a lesson.
Monica.
Papa.
As what? Headmaster, headmistress, or class monitor?
None of the above, Papa. It's their teacher. He always beats my brothers, so I go to taught a lesson with Cain.
Monica.
Papa.
I have warned you to stop this fighting in this village. You are a grown-up lady. You will soon get married and live in a man's house.
By the grace of God, I will marry. But Papa, all thou that troubled the Israel of my brothers, I will arise and I will trouble their Israel. Yes, Papa, I go into dealing with her.
As for two of you, you go home now and then wait for me.
Papa, I'm going home before you come back. Papa, they even say me could come school again.
Yeah, they said that. Where you and see one thing?
Who are you to ask that question? Will you move? As for your question, when I come back, we'll deal with that.
He's a gaga. Fighting your enemy.
Now who won't talk? What that is stupid? They went to say that nobody for this village.
Dada, what is the matter? Why are you looking so angry?
Why I not go look angry? Not be even angry and they catch me now verse. Where that stupid boy in your back and where say that no go drink water keep up for this village.
What has he done now?
Not even now he do this one and yesterday I come see this one begin bitter because he asked her.
Mazin brother, I don't believe what you are just telling me. It's true that Monica is very stubborn and fights a lot, but she doesn't fight for nothing. My son, please, I want you to tell me the truth. Tell me the truth, nothing but the truth. What did you do to her?
The only joke I joke for her, tell her, baby, how now?
Just like that?
I can't joke for her and tell her, say me like him. Say me go like that time.
Mazingbada, have you heard him?
See what in? See what in this morning I go make a bitter man not mess at all. Where she there?
She's not in the house.
Then we go wait for her tell her she come back.
Papa. Shebi I tell you say make you no come this thing, but you no agree. I beg for now, I beg make you go out.
Shut up your mouth! I said shut up your mouth! I don't go anywhere now, here I go straight.
Don't go! Let me bring seat for you.
Go bring it.
Or do you want Dunlop?
Now here I go stay.
But what I'm assuring you is that when she comes back, don't run.
No, Wahala.
Nonsense.
When she come.
You are waiting for Monica.
No.
He can't get to
I don't go anywhere.
Nonsense. No, Monica.
Wait.
God go punish all of you for me. Good afternoon, sir.
So, you are the one, eh?
Sir, what is it again?
I learned that my children came here, especially my daughter, came here to beat up somebody. So I came running to see and express my sympathy with the person. I am sorry, my dear.
Sir, your daughter came here and beat me up because I did my job as a teacher. Just look at my body. Look at what she has done to me. Oh.
That's all right. That's all right. You know what you'll do, please. Do this for me. Go to any clinic, treat yourself, and then bring the bill. I will pay it. Is that clear?
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Monica, they go to that farm. Just cut down the palm fruits. I go come carry them after.
After? No, after you are died. See, no credits today. Credits, they are died. They are buried on the ground. Bam. Pay before service I delivering.
Oh, Wahala. Let me give you your money. Take.
So, you came back, eh?
Yes.
Later. Taking care of.
It's okay.
Kasha.
I go forgive and go. Me? I go tell you. No way, I go tell you. I go wait for that to come. That fool to come and tell me how I look myself finish. Beat that man not mercy. You know, Joe. I go tell you. Wait for her.
Papa, make we dey go. Make we dey go. I sabi this game. Make we dey go.
Yeah. If I hear feel for your mouth again, I go teach you. Let I deal with you myself.
Papa, sorry, but me, if you ask me, I for say make we begin to come out from this place, yo.
Mazingbada, if I were you, I would listen to my son and behave wisely. It's okay.
Papa,
I
when you see them finish, make we begin to come house.
Mazingbada, my stepdaughter has come back, so you people should settle your problem. What happened?
Yeah. Now you be Monica.
Sometimes.
Now you be the one who beat my son yesterday.
Papa, you dey sing a song. What you are talking? Eh? Who been your song?
Not the one where you teach 1 + 1 yesterday.
That one where Bulala in yash.
That one.
It's me. It's me.
Why?
Why? Because why have a long tail and 2 branches? Go ask your son the question.
You dey crazy? I ask you a question. You dey refer me. You want make I deal with you myself? Huh?
Headmaster, no first, no first.
Okay. Yeah. Take your time. They hear me soon.
No first. No first.
Okay, you don't go. If you don't go. You don't go.
I go.
He shot! They talk rubbish. They say, you did this thing. No, you my son, no. Ask me my son.
Beat my son yesterday.
Papa, they sing for this song. Mama, I will blala the man. Mama, we never shop. We never shop. Oh, go shop. Mama, go shop. Go shop.
I was about to come to see you people. Thank God I met you on the road. Our people say it's better to start looking for a black goat before it gets dark. And also to warn the stubborn fly before it gets into the grave with the corpse.
Mazikechi, you are speaking too much proverbs. What is the matter?
Are you not an Igbo man? Are proverbs not the oil with which Igbos eat conversation? But
Mazikechi,
Still, I don't understand your reason of all these proverbs. Okay, all right, Odema. It's about that your brother's daughter, Monica. The one that was born to him by that Yoruba woman. That Onyushi, thief. I don't know whether she was to be born like a man or a woman. I don't know. The way she is going about beating up people in this village is becoming alarming. And as the spokesman of this village, I've come to talk to both of you before it gets off hand.
Ikechi, Monica, my brother Ukuru's face daughter, is an adult. Yes, capable of standing on her feet.
You said it.
Her mates are already married and making children. She should be responsible for whatever thing she does in Omaka.
But the Monica I know can never fight anybody who does not look for her troubles. All right. Mazuzoma, you have spoken as an elder indeed. As Rachi said, she's an adult and she has to be responsible for anything she does. Bam!
Monica,
Papa.
Come.
Papa, I late for work. What is the callings?
Come and sit here. I want to talk with you.
Papa, talk. I is listening.
Come and sit here. I want to talk with you, I said.
Papa, it's a walkie-talking since I walk, you talk, Papa. See, my barrow is a waiting, oh. I know what to lose customer.
Okay. Okay, come closer if that is how you want it.
What happened?
Why have you decided to be causing trouble all around the village? Everybody is talking about how you've been causing trouble in this village.
Papa, this one that you are talking is your accusation for sin, oh. Yes, Papa. It's your offense in the law. They are talking to you, are talking. They are arresting you, Papa. Me, Monica, I is not the look for trouble. Lie, it's not a trouble shooter. Papa is not finding trouble. They are the one who get wahala. If they brought the wahala, I say defense ministering. Yes, they are bringing it a defense. Like this, Papa. What is that they give trouble, oh, Papa? Leave, Papa, leave,
All right. Leave, you know you are matured enough to get married to a man and become his wife.
Where is him?
Who?
The husband you are talk.
I'm not saying, I'm only telling you that you are grown up enough to be a man's wife. And you're asking?
Oh, Papa.
Monica, I am your father.
Yes, it's not a photocopy. It's original, Papa.
And I'm telling you that this wahala, this trouble, you should stop it and then live a good life now and get married.
Oh, Papa, stop to the talk this in a pepper person for body now. Papa, I not fighting. Right. Yes, Papa, they are the one that bring you fighting. I made that they come, make I no defensing. Papa, leave for. You know, say I get a color blood inside me. Be Igbo now, leave for. Not be just your bad blood. We're gonna make my say, Papa, no be mouth, no shell, no be mouth they drum, no action, all these apple things, Papa. Apple you are the chop na mistake. If they bring, I go punch, I go. You see, Papa. Papa, leave, bro.
All right.
You don't finish.
Yes, you can go.
Ma, they went.
If you like.
Papa, if anything happen that I want to talk more, call customer care. Yes, Papa, now go ahead.
Oh, the man.
If you want trouble, you go get trouble. If you define trouble, you go see trouble. Find Monica trouble, na double trouble. Find Monica trouble, she gon' give you double trouble. Monica trouble, na serious trouble. I say Monica trouble, very serious trouble. Monica Lewinsky, alias fighting a fool. Monica Lewinsky, alias fighting a fool. Monica,
Don't worry, next time I go catch money. Only me, I get now 7 I pluck you pluck only 5. Since I don't know what happened to you. All the stones why I threw, no get anything good. But now me still be the champion. Now me still be the champion. So that.
Hey! Come on, I'm gonna bring that orange. Come here.
Now what's it now?
How? Now what orange be this now?
Now
you go carry your own.
Oh, you come back from us.
Simple.
Now me and the miss word with. Not the grace. Come. Come bring that orange. What are you worrying about, Abi? Don't come out here and I go bond and I go get kidnapper.
What's your problem now? Thief! That's what I did. Should I get like
Take your money. What are these? Money for the barrel pushing now. And now you want to try me? Meaning what? You spray me finish like that? Yes, nah. I want to take a load come here. Man, I don't try me, oh. My money na 100 naira. Which kind 100 naira? You be thief? I better take your money, they go. What do you do? What do you do? You leave my goods, I beg. What do you do? You leave my goods now. I better leave my goods, job. I dey carry your load back to market. When you ask me my money, you come and I give you. You dey lie.
What's the matter with both of you? Why are you crying like that?
No matter. That beat us and even come carry all our oranges and still come beat us on them. Yeah, he saw us and they armed robber all our oranges. And what's of it? He come round, come pursue us, come out.
He pursue you? Hunduka?
Yes.
Hunduka where they thief for village?
Yes.
That's one? Where in there?
No, before that was like a road where we see her.
Who's okay for that corner?
Yes.
Oh, yeah, who's okay for that corner?
Monica. Hey, so come back here. Come back here. Go. Come back, I said, before I use cane from you.
This orange sweet though. And the kind of can't wait for these boys there. Whatever they agree so. This small boy, they all don't go out. I say get what they keep for out. No, that is smooth. You don't come and go, don't brush her. And this now. This one, I can't go out.
Today is today. I go show Mohammed Ali. Yes. If I punch, I go jab. I go punch. I go punch. I go jab. I go bounce like this. Yes. I can't raise my head like this. Yes. I go punch. Punch. I go kick. I go come move. Jab. Punch. I go bend down for like this. You see? I can't close my eye like this. I go down dirty. You know?
My husband, what is the matter again?
My dear, the lifestyle of our daughter, Monica, disturbs me greatly. How can a full-fledged lady live like a man?
My dear, that is how God made her. And there is nothing you can do about it. Eh?
I fear for her.
Don't worry. I'm sure she will take care of herself. Hmm?
I pray so. Honestly, I pray so.
What the fuck? What the fuck? Hey, I beg you. I don't know say them be your brother. Well, I don't know say them be your brother. I don't know at all.
Hey,
oh yeah.
Sorry.
Oh yeah, where the orange?
Hey, I don't chop him.
How many you shop?
Na 12.
Hey. You shop 12 orange. Hey. Ha! So where you agbesan? You want shit for body?
No.
You want purge?
For where?
Oh yeah.
Hey.
Pay 1,000.
What? Hey, we think carry me for this kind of wahala now. I go forget this kind of money.
I go pay. Wait.
Pay 1,000 naira.
Share that 1,000.
Oh yeah. As I look at you, famous.
Huh?
Famous.
Hey.
The boy alone. I beast her. I teach him a lesson. Next time I see my two both of brothers, he will run. I beast him. I can't cry like a child.
Power Mikey.
Yes, so Papa, that is me.
One of these days you meet somebody in this village that will beat you black and blue.
Papa Kojo. They are not born the person who will be alone, but can they beat your sister?
No. Sister, where the orange is where?
Orange? The boy I shop it. No cry. Come. I collect money for you. See. I collect 1,000. You buy banana, buy orange.
Yes, I did thank you. Thank you. Yes, I did thank you. Thank you. Yes, I did thank you.
Thank you,
Why they yell like this now? You time you. See that ordinary girl beat you come mess you up like this. See body now.
Chai, why you dey talk like say you no sabi me?
Now maybe on a gap for this area.
For sure now.
And you know how they take they mess people up.
Yes, now we know now.
But that girl get extraordinary strength. I'm telling you. Upon the grass when I chop that afternoon. This girl beats me blue black like small pikin.
Chai, Maja, this thing wey boss dey talk no be lie yo. Because I don't hear people where this half Yoruba, half Igbo girl don't mess up with for this town.
Listen everything. That girl na pure Yoruba girl. Sure. The Igbo wey dey her blood, you know reach 5%.
But girl.
See, as we dey talk now, that girl fit dey inside bush now they smoke, we no go know. She fit dey smoke inside bush now, we no go know.
That means say that kind of girl go marry now.
Now you go marry.
Now that kind of girl go marry now.
Make you use your hand, go buy coffee, wey dem go take bury you. Because that girl vex one day, just turn, meet you. Now one hand, boom, you go die.
Just like that.
See a guy, one thing I don't notice be say that girl no dey take this her eyes like this. See where people dey nonsense those in small brothers at all. She no dey try am. She go pick person. You see those smallie? Huh? Common orange. Now collect from their hand. Now he knock me like this. You no dey use those children play at all. Those small pikin. No dey use them play. No be small for the. No be small thing, no.
That means anywhere where I see this girl, man, I go to shift too.
If you see that girl, they come. Just you understand that you do. Don't take style the dodger. Because my own, if I don't see that girl, if any of us will see that girl, we could just dey waka. But see, I don't want this kind of man for my body.
I did think something about that, babe.
Waiting.
Maybe we could go tell that girl, make him join our gang.
How is it? They fear I'll get mine, the man.
Little devils.
You hear what Tikon call us? What did she talk? She call us little devils.
Na lie.
What do you mean by saying a lie?
I don't believe say she go talk that kind of thing.
You don't believe her? I go ask her. Excuse!
What do you want from me, you little devil, sense of Satan?
You hear him? Shall I tell you?
Now we don't call these two devils. Auntie go hear him. Ikoro, we'll go tell Sister Monica before we go fetch water.
Hey, waiting I carry my mouth to go carry now. This girl go kill me. Hey, Ikoro and Ogene, please wait. Ikoro and Ogene, wait.
Now waiting. You won't come beat us now?
No, how can I don't want to beat you people again, eh? Please, I want to beg you. Don't tell your sister about what I called you people today.
Just like that?
Hey, anything you want me to do, I will do it.
Ah.
Yes.
Ikoro, what do you want me to do to shut our mouth?
You go pay us shut up money now.
Shut up money? Like how much?
500 naira only.
Hey, 500 naira they too much now.
No problem. We go tell our auntie. If that's not a beating, now go better for yourself.
See, I beg, wait now. Wait, come. I think I have 500 naira here. No want our hammer at all. No beside game money, I know game money. I just take. But please, don't go and tell her. Please.
You know go say thank you.
Thank you.
Mention, no mention.
Papa Monica, why are you looking worried? What is the problem?
Okay, my dear. I'm worried about the lifestyle of our daughter Monica. The kind of life she's living. How can she get married?
Is that why you are worried? Don't be surprised that one day Monica will come into this house and tell us that she has seen a man that wants to marry her. People like Monica are always very, very lucky. I'm telling you.
I doubt it, because with this kind of life she's living, all over the village she's causing trouble. Nobody from this village will want to marry her.
Nah, don't worry. One day you will see it happen live in this house. It will happen, though.
You see, wherever I go, they tell me to send her away. To
What?
send my only daughter away.
Let them shut up their mouths. They are asking you to send their only daughter away. Where do they want her to go? Anyway, I thank God for somebody like Monica, because she will not even listen to them. Don't mind those foolish people that are enjoying themselves. Don't mind them. Just let's go inside. Let me make you happy. Let's go. Yeah. Don't mind them. Don't mind them.
Thank you.
Be like make every day they be like this.
So we just make 500 naira. Without any sweat.
But make Papa no catch us. If Papa catch us, you go flog us till we faint.
Papa no they come this side.
Yes, no.
Me now.
Okay.
Yeah. Now what? Why they look us like that? You know they go where they go.
Thieves! Now where una get all the money una take dey buy all these plenty things they chop?
they waka for road like this.
Why they call us thieves? Huh? You want job? You want job? Why they call us thieves?
Una not be thieves. How come una get the money when I take buy all these plenty things they chop they waka for road like this?
You think I'm the joke, Abi? You call us thieves. Say we be thief, Abi. We go tell Auntie Monica. Now that time you go explain to them. Bam.
Anybody where una like, make una tell.
Okay. No problem.
Hey, abeg. Now una talk say una go tell.
Sister Monica.
Na joke, I dey joke with you now.
You think I'm the joke? You think thief is the joke? We go tell them. Go tell them.
Abeg, anything una want make I do, I go do.
Okay. You go pay us shut up money. Bam.
Shut up money? Now how much? I go pay.
2,000 naira only.
Hey! I don't get 2,000 naira. Nothing. No, only 500 when my mama give me say ma take go buy medicine for him.
Okay, bring her. Na pity you.
Thank you.
Oh yeah, run they go. Na pity you. Sasu don't make small money now. And we don't even plan this business at all. See anybody will just come try us, we go make them pay to stop us from telling Auntie Monica. And if we don't even make 1,000 naira today, see you know what? We will go fetch the water please. We will come back, we will go sit down for us, plan this business very well. We will draw the plan.
Trouble, very serious trouble. Monica Lewinsky, alias fighting a fool. Monica Lewinsky, alias fighting a fool. Monica, I never see this kind of lady before. I never see her type before. Monica strong, not be small. Monica wildly, not be small. She know they take nonsense at all. Anytime she dey ready for war. If you dey wise, make you give Monica gap. If you make mistake, enter her trap. Your own don't finish with that deal. Your own don't.
Good afternoon. What happens?
Baby, yo! Good afternoon. How are you? Fine. My name is Thomas Chijoke. Isiakana Michi Kingdom. One nation to Wala Oputo Dume, August 1 na China.
But yeah, was sorrow. You go talk the one way we hear these August things.
Whose property are you, please?
Property.
I mean, who is your father in this village?
Oh, it's me, my papa?
Yes.
Papa na Mazi Okoro from Abara. And my name na Monica Lewinsky, aka Fight na Food.
Fight?
Yes, fight na food for person they look for trouble.
Oh, I see. Baby, don't get me wrong if I say I love you, you know. I want to make you the managing director, CEO of my life. For better, for worse. Even in death, we live. You know.
Guy, you funny.
Abi?
Now so love sheep. You are see woman on the road in your talk love.
Baby, okay. No, it doesn't matter.
You even look my swag, now me you they love.
No, the time of the hour doesn't mean. It doesn't mean. What it mean now make you do our thing, you know, make you say yes.
Okay, come. Mr. Doubting Thomas of a Bible story, Lexington. If you want to marry me, Monica Lewinsky, it's not a road thing, you go to talk for road. You will come to my papa house, my papa last, and you ask him my hand in the marriage. Simple.
Baby, yo, see, baby, I want to embarrass you with money. See, I want to make you uncomfortable with wealth. I want to use your name to change the capital city of China from Bombay to Monisco. See, I will buy you private jet because you won't live in this world again. I will put you on one, yes, it's moon. You will live in the moon. Ibrino, you live in the moon.
You excuse me.
No, I say moon. You live in the moon.
Oh, on one moon.
Yes, in the moon. Baby Oku, let me offload you. Where you they go?
You want to drop me for house?
Yes, Baby yo. You well ya. Money well ya. You well ya.
What? You say don't tell who come out to fetch this. And Papa no go beat us. That's what we go do now. Don't tell her no. That's what you go do. No keep us.
Hey! I see you. Oh yeah. Enter my proposal motto.
No, Auntie, thank you. Auntie, which one be proposal motto?
He say you want to marry me.
No, make you dey go. We gonna come small, eh?
You sure?
Yes.
I miss you. I see you for eyes, yeah? My brother, I love you. Come to the eyes.
Okay.
I just, carry it well, no fall down you.
You not go fall down. Yeah.
I don't want us to follow her because if we follow her now, we go reach quick and then Papa will come beat us.
Nah, true talk. Now we just dey go small till we reach there.
You say okay, yeah.
Oh.
I reach my house since.
Okay.
Just there, just drop
okay.
me.
Okay. Baby, take this small money, change your style.
How this money from?
This one a small change now. See, by the time you marry me, I go use pounds, shillings, and pence. The sew clothes and the necklace for you. I go use dollars, make handbag, and use American Dutch mark. Pay your dowry.
You are mean it? Hey! I was dreaming.
You are not dreaming anything. This is Nigerian movie in reality. My name is Tamos Egone SCC.
What you mean?
Tamos, money is smelling.
I hear the smell.
You hear
me? Smelling.
See, this one are only dollars, so I never mention euro. Don't worry, take that one, go change your wardrobe. What is that?
I don't see her for dropping.
Hey, baby, Oko. I will purchase wardrobe for you. Wardrobes. Just, I'll buy 2 wardrobe for you. So don't worry, change that one and hold your side.
Thank you.
What kind of telephone do they use?
I use your toss.
Hey, baby, it's a BlackBerry Touch. Let me see. BlackBerry Touch.
Yes.
Maybe.
I know be toss. They are calling toss.
Okay, I will buy you BlackBerry Touch. And I will import the pin, give you, we're gonna pin only me.
Pin,
baby, yo!
Hey, Thomas, you have married me. Just come to my house and just talk to my papa. That is all.
Baby, yo!
I will pack my load, come.
I will come and see your father tomorrow. In fact, I will plant a money tree for your compound. That is Osisiego. If you go in the morning, you plug it. Yes. Baby, I love you. I love you 4 times.
Me 10 first.
Baby, yo! Iwalia.
Money. Mama is dreaming. Money. Hey! Papa. Hey, I see the husband into marriage. Glory be to God. Glory be to Jesus. I see the husband into marriage. Glory be to God. Amen.
Papa go sick. They go hear am. Monica is a marriage. Yeah. All the people that talk say me I fight, I no go get husband. They go see my husband he rich safe. He rich. I got see. See. The husband is so married. Glory be to God.
Monica strong, oh, not be so.
Glory be to Jesus, I sing. The husband is so married. Glory be to God, amen. I sing. The husband is so married. Glory be to God. Glory be to Jesus, I sing. The husband is so married. Glory be to God. Amen. Praise the Lord.
Hallelujah. But for what?
What are we praising the Lord for?
I have seen the husband into marriage.
Where? When? How?
Papa, for road. As I come out, I meeting him. His name na Thomas, aka Money is smelling.
Hey, Monica, are you trying to tell me that you just pick a husband on the road? How possible?
Yeah, today, oh, Mama, you have come in. Oh. See, I not pick man. It's a man that picking me in a car. He helped me to drop him here. I said, drop me there. My house no far. I track him down. So I no pick him. He said, go coming tomorrow to introduction himself to you.
So, this. I will wait to see this main road husband.
Papa, he's not believing.
No.
He's joined the people that say, hey, Monica, oh, fighter, we don't go see husband.
My daughter, you know me now.
Say my swagging, no good to marry. No. He's a lying. God, they are answering the prayers.
Yes.
See, the money will gas me.
Hey, Monica! Excuse me, this girl is very serious.
Yes.
Monica, are you trying to tell me that it was a man that you saw on the road that gave you all this money?
Yeah. It's the man that give me the money. It's a miracle thing. The stone, the bidder a rejection. And I be the cornerstone. You know, I sing the husband is to marry.
Money.
Glory be to God. Glory be to Jesus. I sing the husband is to marry. Glory be to God.
Reserve my own for you.
I will wait and see this main road husband tomorrow. Okay. But meanwhile, you start going to the farm. I will come and join you later. I will go and see my friend first.
Okay. My please, so don't
I will
waste
come
time.
now.
Don't waste time.
No, I won't.
They play school band. My brother, no believe you. My own now, army band they play inside. Wait. I want to tie Papa mouth for this palm tree leaves. No. Oh yeah. This one on my own. Your own. For me again.
Where are you two coming from?
Stream. From the river. What? Yes. Fetch. We are coming late, yeah, because the Ingodo don't dry. Where?
Ingodo dry?
Who surprise you? Yes. Even this water we have here, dig till we can't get this one.
Alright. I have no time yet. I'm going to somewhere. When I come back, we'll sit down and talk of the drying stream. Eh?
She said the thing work. Our wahala don't pass. No. Then when he come back, he no talk. We go no say the thing they work.
La 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 la. No.
Auntie Grafu. Auntie Grafu.
It's one for both of you. Since morning that you people is going to fetch water, it's not that you are coming back.
Auntie, that water don't dry you. If you see plenty people wait there for, they struggle to get water. But even this one will carry come back and a person help us get them.
Water is dry for river. That is too bad. It's not too bad. It's still bad for this village then. What happens?
At Mama their house?
No, she went out.
Oh, thank you, God.
Why is it thank God your mama went out?
Auntie, you don't understand. When we come back, we go tell you.
You people, what's popping?
Nothing.
Okay, oh. It's waiting, oh. Come and give. La 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 la.
Ikor and Ogene.
Yes, Papa.
Come here, both of you. I was at the stream this evening and the water was still there and running.
Papa, which time did you go to the stream?
What kind of stupid question is that? You heard me when I said when I was returning this evening I was there.
Okay.
Okay, what?
Maybe the time you go to the stream, the water don't come back. Because the time when we go there, the water don't dry. Well. Nothing.
The stream come back from where? Where did the stream come back from?
Okay, that's small now. And only me they answer the question. Maybe the river go market or meeting. Even weekend.
You are mad. How can what a go meeting even weekend? Does water go to any of these places you mentioned?
Okay.
You have committed. Get ready to be punished for it. Both of you. You must be punished. Let me get my cane.
So this time out no work. I'm not telling you. I'll die with this.
Yeah, each time you have to come to do advertisement for my family, yes, it's come to marriage. Don't understand.
Auntie, this one will sit down like this, they look the other side. What's happen?
I wait for Thomas.
And I tell you send the car.
Yes, now. It's this time now. I still dey wait.
Auntie, this your friend, if you before now, no.
Go. Which guy for when I give stranger money first time when he saw him? Impossible.
No problem, Auntie, relax. Go come. Maybe you don't call her for phone.
I forget. The exciting that do me that give me money first time. No make me remember to collect the number.
Auntie, no problem. Don't worry. Then go come. Auntie, make her go prepare the place where they go stay if they come.
Okay.
Thomas. Why?
I know if you shop. You shop?
Shop.
Your daughter has been sitting in front of the house, waiting for somebody she is not sure will come.
My dear, if that man fails to come today as he promised, we'll have a lot of problem in our hands.
If I know Monica very well, she'll become violent to any person that will offend her after this.
That is true. Oh. Who is this person that is trying to turn the head of my daughter?
I don't know. Let us just wait and see. Let's wait and see.
Poverty is a disease. Oh, guys. Big guys. Where is your sister?
Today, sir.
And your father?
Today, sir.
Okay. Big guys, enjoy.
Thank you, sir.
Ezego is here.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, call your father. Oh, yeah, Obiamboa joy here, man. I want to use here for my factory. I will demolish this place.
Welcome, my friend.
I'm a titled man.
I am not. Okay. You're welcome. Please sit down.
How are you? How you can sit. My name is Thomas Chijoke. Isiaka na Michi Kingdom. Ise ni ise no mu awolo. Ogas na China. No, we rock things in Guangzhou, China.
You're welcome.
Okay. This is my friend Ibe. Milinsi of Obeledu. I am the CEO of Thomas Holdings West Africa. I have my headquarters in Guangzhou, China. You know, I do clearing, forwarding, backwarding, and everything. I have not finished introducing myself.
Okay.
You see, I am the CEO of London's Hotel, Golden Royal Hotel. Oga isnenu my money that I got bajaka man.
You're welcome.
Thank you, sir.
Welcome.
Honey, you go and get the drinks and cola nut for our visitors.
So, sir,
yeah.
What is your business concern? I mean, sorry, what you do for a living?
Oh, well, I'm a pensioner. That is, I'm a retired civil servant.
Okay, as a matter of fact, I want to upgrade your status, you know, from servant to master of my businesses in West Africa. Okay, see, I want to operate this thing. I will plant ego. If you come out, you plug.
Hey. Yes.
Where is the color?
That's it.
Quite unfortunate.
Can you imagine?
Poverty is really a serious disease. Okay, get me some dumpling and campignon from the boat.
Exactly.
You can keep this one for your boy. Thank you. Oh, Diego, never big. You are privileged.
Thank you.
I want to plant Osisina Miego. In fact, here is the best position. You have to uproot this one. I will plant Osisina Miego if you come out in the morning. Okay, this is Dom Prignon. Say it.
Dom Prignon.
Your mouth, at least. Dom Prignon.
Dom Prignon.
It's actually imported from Italy.
I don't know if you believe this, you know. How much of your own?
never can finish, but I can't reach 5,000. It still remain.
But if you reach 10,000 naira, see, okay.
Sure?
Yeah, see.
See, if I finish, I go carry my own, give Mama, so that he go join them for her business.
Yeah, me too. I go
be our own business.
I go carry my own, give him too.
We go better like that.
Hey.
I've seen that you want to marry my daughter. Now let me ask her and see whether she will accept to marry you.
Hey, Papa, I hear. It's no need to ask. I agree.
You have agreed.
Oh, you're gonna make big. Please, I don't wish to come here 3 times. Use this money, settle the villagers, Igwe in council and whatever. The next time I will come here, yes, to carry my wife, my lovely wife. Okay. Thank you. This is boat Z of Blackberry. The pin is on the way. I ship the pin. It's on the way. It's actually a customized pin for me and you only. You pin me, I will pin you. Okay, Oga, I will take my leave, please. The next time I will come,
yes,
I will take my baby, honey pie. Yes. You come for omugos. We call it Italian omugos. Say it.
Italian omugos.
That
is wonderful.
This is wonderful.
My husband. They walk.
You're welcome.
My husband. Wonders no go fit end for this world. Oh.
What happened?
I hear from market say that my daughter of Okoro won't get married.
Wonder shall never end. How you go agree say somebody will get set to go marry that girl where they fight up and down for market?
My husband, them did there. They say the man we won't marry him. Now Thomas.
Who Thomas?
Well, how many Thomas you know? Ozak, Dimion, Pikin. That way get plenty money.
God forbid bad thing. That will not enter bad motor. How that boy go carry that devil put in his house and his wife?
My husband, you no go work. We go do everything possibility. Since say that marriage no work.
We will go now. Go fast, go prepare.
Okay.
Come, we will go.
Okay.
I don't begin to finish this itself.
Mama, what is happening now?
Monica. Where did you get the palm fruit head from? I'm sure we don't have any ripe one.
Mama, I seize it.
Seize it, what?
Yes.
From where?
Masipe. He are not paying me for my laborer, and I telling him, no credits today, come tomorrow. You are not here, so I seize him property. If he pay me, I give him his property back.
I go why? Ekaraka.
Mama, but man so fun. I always tell you, know they call me all those name things so, all those agu. Speak English. I be pig. I don't know all those Igbo things so. I don't like am o. Because why they pound when go pay me o. Do you know if you call those your, you know, they call me o. Leave o, mama, leave o. If I pay you, okay, if I call you yaye, mama, yaye, I go feel. The thing you want me to tell to you, may you talk and back to me o. I don't like.
Monica, make sure you're not cursing me o.
I hear what you talk, all the good things where you talk, I hear. Mama, I don't like am o. Leave o.
You're doing gara. One day they will beat you in this village.
Me? Gara?
You think say that this place is Lagos?
Mwah! Kojo! Mama, leave o. No be Yoruba thing they say, me, ma. These are the action things so, that your one you see my hand. I go just give them. I don't look face so. Anything day where I go shop.
Go to the kitchen.
Me to went to the kitchen. Can you told your boys to went to the kitchen?
Oh, okay. You want me to come and dish out the food for you?
Mama, I don't know.
Go and sit down.
Mama, I don't seem like it so. Mama, leave o. Because I'm not going to shape me like a jail. That's what others want them to do to you.
Talk like a parrot.
What you talk?
Make I tell you, you see, we go make everything possibility. See, say that man no marry that girl. If not tomorrow, if not jazz, if not kwakuru, go do am.
Yes.
Make him no marry am.
We go. That is correct. We are going to just inform him not to marry that guy again. If you marry him, that will not be our cause. I will just tell him to.
My brothers, I called you to this meeting because I want you to know the latest about my daughter's news. You may have heard unofficially that my daughter Monica is about to get married.
I have heard it, but I said I should wait until I hear from you.
Me safe don't hear them too. It's good.
You see, our people say that a snake seen by one man soon turns to a python. The people say they want to finish everything immediately.
That is good news. We support them.
Good. Very soon I will invite you to come and inspect the things they brought for traditional rites.
Okoro, my brother, you have done very well.
Oh, thank God.
We will be waiting.
Yes. Thank you.
What did they make you the worry like this now?
Na Thomas.
Eh? Thomas, what happened to him? He don't die.
I just see to go for me myself. He not picking phone. I calling him, and he won't get the pickings. He say the person is called is not available. Call later.
Who be that girl now?
I don't know. And I saw saying all those husbands not singing.
Yes, yes.
Oh no! If I catch that girl, no! I pissed her, eh? See, she pissed for body.
Auntie, if you won't cry, just tell us, make we help you cry well, eh?
I never ready to cry. If I ready to cry, I fight you. Come and cry with me.
But auntie, if I say they cry, don't they call small for in your voice?
Auntie, why you not cry, yo?
I can't no cry. What I do you? Oh yeah, go.
Okay.
Don't cry.
No worry.
Then you bring pocket, you give up.
Yeah, you know my phone bucket. Hey, my lady. Come with me bucket. Yeah.
I want me to go buy beer.
Hey! Ikona, what you just talk now?
I said I want me to go buy beer na batin.
Hey! Ikuru, you won't be like Nathan Dike. When they drink beer when he dey small. Or do you come begin run mad? Come become madman now.
Now you make a mad.
Ikuru, make I ask you one question.
Ask me.
You don't see where Papa they drink beer before?
No.
So where you go learn how to drink beer from?
Now the learn I want me to go learn.
Hey! My hand is not there. Because we're not supposed to drink beer, smoke, cigar, or even Igbo. All those things that scatter person life.
But I don't hear. Make you don't go tell Papa. Oh. Make no go tell him. No tell him more.
Hey, you boys, come here.
How where? Why?
Now me they ask why. So now no sabi great senior. Why you making a need that for there?
What?
Now what you do? You now why you want punish us?
So me hammer they talk and you they talk too? Huh? Why you making a need damn there before I lose this small faces? Huh?
Our auntie go hear him.
Huh? If president like make it here, I'm gonna shake. They hear me?
Now Auntie Monica.
What you talk now? This boy is safe. Eh? So I don't know when person won't matter you. Eh? Now joke I they joke with you now. Eh? Why no one go bring your sister into the matter? Eh? Oh, yeah, make una get up the go now.
If you get up now, that bitch will go get up the go tell her what say how you punish us for son today.
See me see wahala. Wait you, I touch you now. Eh? I beg, I don't want your sister trouble. I don't want her trouble.
You know what make you tell him, Abi?
Make you no go tell him.
Oh yeah, you go shake body.
If you tell me since now, that one, no wahala la, I get them la.
Which kind of shake your body be that? If you don't want me to go tell our auntie now, you go give us shut up money.
Yeah. How don't enter be that? So because of this small joke now, where I joke with you now you know they suffer me like this. You know good though. Eh? Okay, now how much be that?
Now 2,000 naira.
Hey! It's too much now. They know the price in the supermarket.
Oh yeah, how much you want price?
Now 500 naira hold here. And the money I want to go shine my eyes this morning. Eh? Make you not take them now.
Now pity you. Just pity you small.
No tell them. Eh? Make you keep them for money. No add car. Join them.
Because if you add Kajaina or Kama Kana,
just pity.
I beg.
Just pity.
Not because say you are friend, man.
I beg now. Thank you. Thank you.
Carlos, it's me, Monica. How you doing? It's not day now. What happens? Why the silencing? Situation. Which kind situation? Maybe you are talk say you want to come and marry Jimmy from my father's house. I no come saw you again. What happens? Told me now. Wahala? For where? Who are put wahala? My peoples. Who are the peoples that is put inside my marriage garri? I no go hide anything from you, but you go promise me, say you no go stand up. Okay, I promise you. Now one man with his wife, Mazi Okeke and Agnes, them say you be jet fighter, and if I marry you come, you go kill me there, full stop. Mazi Okeke talk that one. Okay, their own is another days. Oh yeah, me we talk. Telling me this truth. So, have you changed your mind now? Huh? Will you change your mind and no marriage me again? Hello? Hey! That Jehovah Emmanuel. Hey! That Jehovah Emmanuel.
Brother, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
You get puff puff?
No, I don't finish.
You get pancake?
No.
What of make me wear?
Which you can't market and I won't buy so. The eyes of waiting no day for market. All these things wey una dey ask, no dey dey for market again.
Okay, madam, give us bread and tea.
Bread and tea? Which bread and tea? This place be like a madam place.
You the verse?
Hey! Chance of okay. Before I close this my eyes and open them, una don't run come out for this place before I teach you people lesson. Stupid children!
Why can't they call us stupid children? The only question I will ask you.
Will you run come out from this place before I deal with you? Thieves! Now I give the money when I want to buy bread. Now who know?
First number 2. First you call us stupid children, now na thieves. No problem. Make we go tell our auntie.
Hey, Ikoro. Ogene, I beg make una come back. Hey, Chima unka Monica ge buko na manaka. I beg. Now why remember who una be? Mama no go the scenes. I beg. Make una no thank una auntie. Oh? I no get power for her trouble. At all.
Offense number 3. You know talk say our sister na troublemaker.
No. A mistake of mouth to be that. See the bread you wanna ask me. Take and make una no pay. Wait, I dey cook.
You know what make we tell our auntie because you say as you talk now say she be troublemaker.
I go add them to water.
Then my auntie not be troublemaker.
I know now. Now be my friend now.
That one now offense number 3. That one offense number 3.
Shut up money.
Shut up money. Hey. Which shut up money? But now make I dey give now this bread and pure water.
You say this woman no serious. Make they go.
Hey. Ikoro. Okay, I beg make una come back. How much be shut up money?
Our money na 2,000.
Hey, I'm quite no fear and can't get tata. All things wey dey for my shop. You know reach that amount wey una dey talk now. You know what? I go give una 500 now. Oh?
Madam, bring her. All this one so that we no go tell our auntie Abi. Okay. You won't carry this thing, go? No, bring her.
You don't take another bread. Okay, I like him too. Thank you. Make una greet una sister. Una know I like her. Una gonna be my friend though. Anytime when I like to chop bread, make una dey come. Oh?
Back we go for the shop.
Bye bye. Bye bye.
Ah, Monica. Monica, what is wrong? And my wife is not here. Eh? How long has she been here? Who knows? Eh? Eh? Who knows how long this girl has been like this? Eh? These children, nobody's in the house. Eh? Monica, what happened? Hey! Keep these legs well first. Let me see. And nobody to help me. Let me see how much I can do it.
Wetin dey make you laugh?
This our business don dey boom well.
Abi? See na customers don dey pay well. The business don dey grow. See na 500 naira plus bread and pure water. That be small business.
See, I get idea we go make this business progress better than the way we see am.
Which idea be that?
Imagine now if we come write advertisement for cloth and come wear am. You know, say you go attract more
advertisement. They dey write advertisement for this kind of business, for trouble business.
If you ask me, I want to write am first.
Any advert wey we do na the same thing. How they go first? Okay, I'll go. Make we chop this thing here before Papa go see am now. Collect am for house.
What I still cannot figure out is why Mazio Keke and his wife, Agnes, should do such a wicked act. Why should they go to Monica's suitors and destroy her?
Nah, I'm as lost as you are. I don't know what they want to achieve by doing that. I don't know.
My daughter, listen to me. If it is the will of God that Thomas will marry you, he will.
Papa, you are finished now. She be Tom I talk say no marriage again.
This is wickedness. Are they jealous that it's not their daughter that is being married?
I think that is a possibility.
Leave them. I will sow them. I will join the angry of a lion and a tiger. We join it together. Combination it. I will now sow them pepper at rodo. You know that small pepper I used to grind.
Oh.
They will use it to do roll.
My daughter, please, don't try to do anything rash. Allow God to judge them,
Papa,
my daughter. Eh?
I no do rashes. I no get rashes. So no rash thing. You say make I allow God to Papa.
Judge them.
I like God to judge them. God, they are busy. That man, Baba, look, he a good person. He's a good God. He are busy. I answer everybody. Me, I go help God. I go help him to judge me in there.
Hey! Wahala de o pari. Leave. Wahala de.
I show them. In the name of justice, we shall kill them. We are soldiers fighting our enemies. In the name of justice, we shall kill them.
I think there's nobody in this house.
We shall kill them. We shall kill them.
Dog. See this dog. You don't do gra. If your owner come back, tell us say we come. That's your gun top. Tell us say we come.
I don't para you know. I don't vex. But hear me, okay. And wife Nigeria Limited house. Tell them that I come. They are going to spoil me in front of my husband. Hi, Abby. You will see the return of Monica. That time, make you put your dog away. Make you come face hand to hand. No be dog things.
Maybe they go farm or market. I mean, the dogs
go. Hey! Go.
It's okay. There's trouble.
Which trouble?
I saw 3 troubles at your home this morning.
Come, my friend. Now you make a con saw me while they go find food my goat.
No be say they disturb you. I saw Monica. That one where Yoruba woman born for Okeke. She carry a bundle of cane for head with her brothers. She come to talk to your empty house, say he go come, he go kill you. Say she will come back, come give you wahala with your wife.
What did she say I did to her?
I overheard her say you scattered her marriage.
Me? Scatter her marriage? Don't mind her, go away. Now Troy won't harm from me. They go away. Rubbish. Scatter her marriage. You know when you're married, when you're married.
Those boys show me. The thing when they first me pass be say the little money where I get that money, why I won't go you shine my eyes for bush. Those boys collect them from me.
Are you from Muguna? You know they hear something.
Me hammer.
After everything I tell you about it, they pass through for your own hand. You see, this your 2 empty leg, I can go enter their trap.
But wait, Andy, I been say we agree make you go meet that girl, make she come join our gang.
I go, but not be now. You know, say that kind of babe. You know, just walk and go there like that, go tell her this kind of thing. But first tell people make them go. Because if you go there, 2 things are involved. If you're there for a bad mood, 1 hand. You know, you never feel like when you feel like you go no.
But this thing where Maja talk makes sense, so you go good, make that girl come join our group. Maybe go try now.
Me, I go try. I only talk like say this girl has talk. See the girl. No, for you now. We can't do this now. Huh?
Mama, leave us alone, Mama. Let's deal with him.
It's okay, stand up, Mama. Stand up, Mama. Easy, stand up. Stand up. Hey, what is it now? What is it? Do you want to kill him for me? Hey, what has he done to you people?
Mama, allow us kill him. Allow us. This man is wicked, brother. Ben is very wicked.
It's okay.
What did I do to you people now? Why do you want to kill me? What did I do? Eh? What did I do to you people now?
Why is it that I cannot do what others are doing? Are you mad, Arabo?
Brother Benji, we'll beat that madness off you.
Keep quiet! I said keep quiet. Stop this nonsense. Huh? You want to kill him? It's your brother. Do you want to kill him? What is it?
Mama, he wants to be man alone in this family, and we will not allow him to do that.
Yes.
No way.
But is it by force that I'll do what you people are doing? Is it by force? Can one be different? Is it by force?
You can't be different. And if you have to, then you have to leave this family.
Yes. Hey.
You must leave this family.
Yes.
What is wrong with you? Who are you to decree that in this house? In this house, in this family?
That's how you always side in him. You always side in him, Mama.
Get him from here. It's okay.
Say, Mama, my leg.
It's okay. It's okay. Hey, sorry. Sorry, it's okay. Let me take you there. Okay. Oh, sorry. Easy. These children will not kill me in this house. They will not kill me in this house, so I'm trying my best.
One day I'll leave this house and run away.
No.
I'll leave this village. Nobody will see me.
No, don't do that. It hasn't got into that. Now don't run. If you run, you'll be doing me. You'll be doing me. Don't worry. I will talk to them.
Better talk to them.
I will.
Talk to them.
I've been trying my best.
Talk to them.
One
day I'll do what they will never like.
I will not allow any of you to intimidate me or any member of my family.
That girl, they commit bad thing for this village. Would they talk him and do the defense?
What I am trying to say is that
Okoro, stop defending your daughter and allow others to put up their opinion on this matter.
Since you people don't want me to say something here, it then means that you don't want me in this gathering.
Okoro, Mbano, you never reach like that. Waiting we day here, they talk. Now make we see how we go live in peace with all our people. To come out from the meeting, no solve any problem.
What I was trying to say is that I know my daughter very well. She does not look for people's trouble. She does not fight any person. at all who did not cause her trouble or look for her trouble. You know? So Mazi Okeke and the wife did something that led her to go and beat them up.
Okoro, you were here when Okeke said that he did nothing to your daughter.
What Okeke said is a big lie to all of us here.
And which one now is the truth?
Thank you very much. My kinsmen. Okeke here and the wife went to Thomas Arinze, who came to marry my daughter, Monica. Thomas was ready to do everything that he's supposed to do to marry my daughter. But because Okeke and the wife went to his house to destroy my daughter before her suitors.
Jamas Okeke, is that true?
No, who talks so?
The very man you and your wife went to put your legs in my daughter's marriage was the person who told my daughter.
Okay. What my brother talk now, not true. And na very bad thing you go do against that girl. Wetin she do you and your wife? Eh?
Okay. You are an elder. And for you to do this evil, we will not fold our hands and let you go free. Okay?
That's okay. What you and your wife do to that guy na bad thing. If you go thank God, say only beat you. Thank God.
Okay. Mazo Okeke, listen very well. For you to do this to a king's man, you have to pay 10,000 naira. And your wife 5,000 naira. Period.
Mazo Okeke, this one is bad too. You're supposed to go beg that girl to forgive you. And go meet the man when one mother tell us say what you talk. Now lie. Huh? That's what you're supposed to be.
Hey, my daughter, please. My daughter, wait.
Why did I say?
Wait.
Why did I
Please.
Mama.
Give me the knife, please.
Mama. Mama,
sorry,
they pay me.
Don't worry.
Mama, they pay me.
No, don't cry. God will take care of the situation. Please, don't cry.
Now this will fit you well. Now business signboard now.
Go do it. Come look like pastors. Open the door.
Monica, my daughter, you know I love to see you happy. We don't want you to go looking for vengeance on them.
Please. Monica, listen to your father very well. Forget about that man. God will give
Mama,
you
leave it.
another
Okay.
husband.
Hey, Papa, I hear you. But you are see that man. You are not go like that. All the crying I cry, that man you are crying.
That's all right.
A wife that in marriage, you are crying.
Don't worry.
But leave, Papa.
Oh, I wish she doesn't go for anything like vengeance on them. She doesn't try anything rash.
Nah, if I know Monica very well, she will touch Okeke and the wife small. Okay, make him bimbio. Monica that I know very well.
There is trouble.
Dago, you think this year is also grow right for the address? What that's I never see. Nothing I don't go see for this one. Hey!
This one.
Jackie, why they call? Why they like give us names? Why they call us names? What do you do, you know?
Shut up! Now who call your name? No make me vex so. If I vex, now much harder go soon ourselves. Now I call on her. I do not run.
What you make you they talk that kind of thing to us now? What you will do?
See this no boy so. Now we they ask question and answer. Now me Jack and Kaki.
Now you now, what open your mouth, they cause us. One will not do anything to you.
Abel, carry your yeye dress, come up for here.
Oh.
Trouble for sale.
Now this clothes where my auntie suffer to suffer for us. Now they call yeye. This thing what she make for. Come, get them all go. I go tell my auntie say now they call this here.
Come on here. Oh. Come on, go.
Come up for here, Abel.
See short.
Now no sabi who those boys be.
I bet shift to make a zero. Who they be?
Man, their sister they won't go tell so.
Ah no man, no sister walk. Come on, which kind of talk will be that one? Abeg, come on.
Now only now no know Monica, aka fight na food.
Come. Now her brothers be this, so. Now her brothers be this. I'm telling you.
Yes, so and I think say now their sister they won't go tell. If now no waiting good for now, they may not pursue them go beg them so.
See Kaki, make we go beg those boys so. Abi. If not, wahala dey. I'm telling you, this guy beg them.
This is the funny me. How could you go beg these small boys?
Eh? Them no go beg them. Yeah, no wahala.
Come again. Now you put me for this role where I did. As you refuse to beg that guy's head that talk.
How I go carry this my leg? Go beg that small girl.
Now me say make it beg, no be head that talk am.
Make the elders go beg am.
Why they do strong head? If you no want go beg am, I will go beg am. When you finish, when your head cool, you go beg am. I dey go.
Go beg am. Go beg am. Me I know the beg am. Okay. That one concern you. Concern you.
Okay.
Hey!
See now what to now? Not the joke with the joke with you now. When I can't take am serious like federal government and Boko Haram.
When I talk, I no remember.
Me safe, I don't know say una dey take things serious like this so. I beg make una know who dey beg, I beg.
The only thing we go make us shut up no talk, no go tell our auntie. Now to collect shut up money. Yes.
How much be the shut up money?
2,000.
2 plus 2, 4. 4,000 only.
Ha! Where we go get the money from?
They ask me or us.
Wait. You don't get that kind of money. The only money I get here now 500 naira. What won't take buy feed for my agri for with the house. I think even at that one, go manage the fowl with the little feed this time.
Me too, na 500 in my pocket. If I fit give una for shut up money.
Me just
eat.
Okay.
But man, I don't go tell my sister again. No.
No go tell her.
Me una no tell am. Bye-bye.
This is trouble for sale, oh. Trouble for sale. You want buy? Trouble for sale. This not trouble for sale, yo. Trouble for sale. Abi, you want buy? Trouble for sale. It is very, very affordable. Trouble for sale. Very reasonable. Trouble for sale.
Benji! I say, go and marry. Go and marry and stop stressing our old mother. She's not your wife, eh? Hey!
You, what are you still doing in this house? What are you still doing? Won't you go and get married? Eh? All your friends that I know, Nkechi, Ngozi, Amaka, are they not married? And you're still here shamelessly eating mama's food. No problem. Very soon, I'll go and get married. Bring a woman to this house to stay with you. And you are the one that will suffer. You will suffer it.
But what can keep? Madman!
Hey!
Madman!
Me?
Go and get married and leave Mama alone.
You call me madman?
Yes.
You?
Yes.
No problem.
Leave our Mama alone.
No problem.
Ah.
No problem. One thing you forgot is that I'm the head of this family. You forgot that I'm the first son in this house. Everything you're seeing here is my inheritance. No problem. But I promise you one thing, you will never marry. I say you will never marry. You can never marry.
What is it? What is it?
Can you imagine? You call me madman?
What is it okay?
Hey.
Ada, what is your problem?
Ma.
What is your problem? Why will you always quarrel with Benji? Leave him alone. He is your brother or your flesh and blood. Ogenede.
Mama, I'm only telling him to go and get married. Don't
Shut up!
Shut up!
Are you married? Are you married? Go and bring your own husband.
Oh.
He's okay. What is wrong with you now?
So, you're siding him, eh? You're siding him, Mama Kwa. Go on.
I'm not the only married man.
Yes, okay.
You can't marry. I say you cannot marry.
It's okay.
I
Yes,
won't accept it. You will not marry.
Get away from me.
Hey, Mama.
He's okay.
Why are they always talking to me like that?
He's okay. He's okay.
Am I old?
Old? No. You know,
I'm a young
just go and marry and get me a child. That is what. Maybe she's right, though. My son. He's okay. He's okay.
I'm old now.
He's okay. No.
My enemy!
I beg, I say make I come back.
Baba!
You are welcome.
Yes, sir.
We don't hear you say you won't marry our daughter, Monica.
I want Mariam. I want Mariam.
We don't ask our daughter whether she like you, and she say, yeah.
Ah, she like me very well, oh. Monica, she like me.
The thing where they be say, una go and come back.
Eh? That is our custom. Yes.
Make you take this 1 week also to sabi the person where you won't marry.
Hey, sabi atete, Monica.
My in-laws, I thank you all very much for allowing us come ask the hands of your daughter in marriage. We will go as you have asked, but we will come back as we have promised.
We'll come back.
Thank you. Thank you all. I thank everybody who has left whatever he or she is doing to come and stay with us today. Monica, please go and ask your mother and the little ones to help you in bringing out the food.
Monica.
Good
Monica, Monica. I like the girl. And she like me.
Really?
Benji!
What is it, Ada? What is it this morning? Why you shouting my name?
What type of man did you bring into this family as a wife?
How do you mean?
Doesn't she know how to sweep compound? Okay. Does she think that all she has come here to do is to raise her legs for you? Where is she?
What's your problem?
Where is she? Oh, she's still sleeping like a lousy dog that she is.
What's your problem? I know she has not done you anything. She just came into the family. What's your problem with my wife?
Nonsense. What? I say nonsense. Where is she? Where is she?
What's your problem? What's your problem? Where are you going to?
I am going inside that room to drag her out to come and do her duty.
For what? For what? Ada, for what? For what?
I hear. Oh. Yeah. I want you to come and sweep this compound.
Oh.
I know you You're supposed to be sweeping this cup.
Hey, Monica! Monica! Oh, what is happening? Open the door, open the door. Monica! Monica! What is this? Somebody's crying inside. Monica! Monica! Ada's been beaten by your wife. Somebody's crying inside. Monica! Monica! Monica, open this door!
This marriage, we want to go married, not disadvantage for our side though. Listen, just depend me. If we insult any person now, that person go on jaws. They go on retaliate. All the things we want to do, they do them since all the beatings we want to beat them. Even the small one, we don't get since they won't collect them back. Maybe say the business don't spoil with that. Imagine when the business start, they boom. Now the thing can scatter. But Auntie for no go marry by now. But wait. I guess small idea, sir. Which idea?
Now talking about Benji's wife, now do this into Ada.
Is that witch? Is that witch?
She nearly broke my jaw for me.
Okay, now, sorry. If you see how she dealt with Ada, I got so scared. She's a witch. I will never go close to that devil. Never.
Seriously, I've heard about this woman's power before, but I didn't know she's capable of doing this to Ada.
I've seen it now. I've seen it now.
Sorry. Hey. My wife wants to see you people.
Eh? Which wife?
What is it the matter now?
I see my business. How will I know the matter? When you go there, you know the matter.
But Benji, who in particular does she even want to see?
She wants to see 3 of you.
As you can see, I'm very busy at the moment. I wouldn't want to go there to waste my time.
Ah, okay.
Are you sure you have not gone and told her things about us?
Things about what? I don't know what you're talking about.
Hey.
She says she wants to see you people in the next 10 minutes.
What now?
You're asking me. When I get there, I'll tell her you asked for what.
No.
No problem. I'll go and tell her now. Let
Tell
me
her.
give her a message.
You and your wife don't know who they married.
What kind of a brother is
What
this?
does she want from us? What does she want from us?
What kind of a brother is this? Sorry, Ada. Sorry, Ada. Sorry, one name. Sorry, my sister. Sorry.
You know how they smoke, Pastor.
Oh, but see those boys,
So make what happen. You didn't look for them before.
Which kind of question be this? I want to collect that money where they take from all that time. Don't forget.
Jack, you like say you don't hide. That you won't go enter trouble, abi?
Which trouble, Kake? That their sister when they take pass manga, don't marry come out for their house.
Not true. That their sister don't marry come out, abi?
Yes. So make we just go meet them, collect that money from their hand, or else they go vomit her.
Hey, make una listen. I have come to this house to stay. So anybody dey hurting for him head, me, Monica, Okoro before, now Banji, aka Feist na food, I will sew the person pepper. As you are see me, I be Miss Mission, Miss Bridge. My papa, Igbo. My mama, Yoruba. So, everything mixed together. Now, if una think say una get ready for your head, the pepper you say I dey for this house, you want show craze. I go sew una pepper because I be small pepper with the pepper nyas. Now, your brother in the head of the children in this compound. So anything you want to do, you telling him first. You are hearing me?
Yes.
Points of correction and ordering. You are coming hand.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Yes, auntie. Yes, auntie.
Yeah. Look down. Look down. All right. Me una dey go. 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 You dey do fine boy. You dey keep tidy. You dey do teddy. I go shave your teddy for you. For this house. I dey talk that one dey do it like the head man side again.
I no wan hear any nonsense from both of you. If una know that money, we una collect from all that time. Just quietly return the money back to us now, or else we will sell both of you to kidnappers.
Which money? No be the money we wanna pay. Make we shut up our mouth. Make we no go tell our sister all the baba things we wanna talk about her.
No, man, no hear that, you know. That na before. Now when your sister don't marry, come out from this village. You see that money? Una go vomit her, nah.
We don't chop him now.
Shut up!
I'm not chopper.
I beg, sir.
If I venture to search you and I did not get the money from both of you,
don't chop your
I'll
ass.
naked you.
You don't see him?
Yes.
I beg. Jacko.
Hey!
Jacko.
Kaki.
Nabida.
Hey! Come on. Come on for here. See how they be
Jacko.
matches.
Jacko.
Kaki na
Mama.
Pisita. Chineke na bika poro mu na ko pisita. What do want man?
Darling.
Yes.
I'm so happy you agreed to marry me.
I is happy too.
At least to come and help me fight my battle. You see my siblings? They're so stubborn.
They will meet me there.
They fight me almost every day. They even want to kill me.
They fit it. They can't.
Benji, please come. I want to talk to you.
Who born dog? Where is he went into?
I want to answer my mother.
Your mama is blind. You know she say you are busy. You know she say you busy. Massage the leg.
But what I want to discuss with him is more important than that thing you people are doing there.
Woman.
Hey, he is my son and I carried him in my stomach for 9 months.
Mama, ordinary 9 months you carry your talk. Your son, I am carrying him every day. And I carry him till the two both of us are die. Can you comparison the months where you carry him to the years I carry him till he dies?
I hope you have not come here to snatch my son away from me. He suckled at this breast for 1 year.
1 year, pere, he suckle. Your son, he dey suckle my own breast. He suckle every day, and he go suckle until he die. Can you comparison the year he used to suckle with just 1 year he suckle your own? We don't drop.
Young lady, you listen to me. That young boy or whatever you call him that you want to seize away from me pass between these legs at best. So please do not break that bond that holds us together.
Hey, old woman, listen. This young boy, man, or what you are calling, only pass your leg once. Your son, he like to dey pass my own leg passage every day, and he go pass until he die. Come, your own son, say if he pass your passage again, he can't. So, woman, warm yourself. Don't let me come tear for you. Hey, anyways, the trial will confuse you. Hey, all this rubbish. You, I'm just be mama.
You, this woman.
You, go.
See. Let me say, as she dey reach for her house, she go begin cry so that she go follow us go back. What if the husband no agree and make she come follow us go uncle?
Let me say the thing don't spoil pata. And that means say we go find another place because those people for that village, they don't kill us with that.
Where would they go first? No, are they?
Okay. Why are people crying?
We're looking for Auntie Monica.
Is Mama okay? Is Papa okay?
Boys, what happened?
Auntie.
Huh?
They won't kill us.
Who? Which boys?
Some boys saw us, they beat us. They come beat us. Come talk say they're gonna beat us every day. Because our sister when they fight for us, no day again.
Not like Ojo. Alone. You stole their face. You stole where they are there.
Yes.
I score.
Monica.
When boss they there 247. Oh yeah, Mutie. Take your suit your toy. Oh yeah. We soldiers fighting her enemies in the name of justice.
Monica.
With other car. Oh yeah.
Monica.
So bounce fighting her enemies.
Oh boy.
Carry my mom.
Anywhere I see those boys, they go to pay till I don't tire.
Jacko, if no be say bring that idea, if we no collect this money from them. I no can't remember say they are killing we where they use pass maga for this village don't even come out. You see?
See, make I tell you, brain good make it work fast all the time.
Pure. True talk.
Madam, I better bring 2 more bottles.
Show.
Hey.
2 bottles of it.
When the money don't dey free.
No, they fear. Na Kaki and Jack they here. They fear.
I trust that.
I wonder. Don't bring me something away. The bag.
In the name of justice, we shall kill. Hey, we shall kill. Hey, we shall kill. We shall kill. We shall kill. In the name of justice, we shall kill. Hey, in the name of justice, we shall kill.
Hi, my son. Are you sure that this lady, I mean Monica Manu, are you sure she will not come here and cause problem for us?
Hey, Mama, why are you thinking like that?
Why won't I think like that, my son? Why won't I think like that? Don't you have eyes? Can't you see? Hey? Have you not noticed the way she behaves to me whenever I come close to you? Hey? What is wrong with her? Where was she when I gave birth to you? Where was she when I was taking care of you? Eh?
Oh. Mama. Oh, I'm sorry about all that happened. I'm sorry. I'm really sorry about all that. But you know all women are the same. They try to hold tight to what they have. So I'm sorry. I will talk to her about you. No problem.
Why will you be the one to talk to her about me? Why will you be the one? She is supposed to know about me and what to do about me. What is her problem? After all, I am the mother of this house. I am her mother-in-law. She should know that.
It's alright, man. Let it not bother you. Let it not bother you. It's okay. It's okay.
This one that she goes around beating people, I hope she will not end up beating you up one day.
Hey, Mama. Why would she want to beat me up now?
Okay.
I'm her husband. No, she won't try any such thing. No, it hasn't got into that.
Let me believe you.
No, I promise you, Mama, it won't happen.
Okay. The most important thing. This one that you have started slaving for her, one boy, carrying her, Alex on your lap, like one baby, even washing her clothes. I hope that one day you won't end up in the kitchen cooking for her. Also.
Oh no, Mama, she's my wife. I'm only trying to be of service.
Okay.
No, she won't try any such thing. Hey, Mama, you worry. Mama, just go and rest. I will handle things.
He better not get to that. He better not get to that because I did not behave like that to my husband, your father.
I'm just serving as my wife.
You better do.
No, Mama, I'll represent you well. After all, I'm your first son.
Yes, just represent though.
I'm your son now. I'm your first son.
Okay. Now make his one. First son, be the first son.
I will represent you well.
That is what I want. Always behave like the first son. I'm gonna say.
Madam.
Eh?
I bet show. Can't collect money for the one who don't drink. Because it be like say if you say we no go fit pay. See, this one what they pay now from my pocket. My friend Jack never launched you. So no they fear, nothing they pay. Anything we pay na wish now.
Na check I they give.
Come on, take your money, sir. But take.
Thank you. Una be my man now. When you hear them, nga.
Madam, waiting they worry you. Now what to you? For your village, women now what to you? Madam, come. You never can't tell me thank you.
Keep it strong. Go back there. Oh yeah, kneeling down there. Oh yeah, raise your hand. Dress it. Close your eye. Close your eye. Oh yeah, search their pockets. You see money? Good boys. Good. Now listen. Stand up. Anytime I see my two brothers, you beat them again, you touch them, I will blala your nyash, blala your back, blala. You no go feel lie down, you no go feel sit down safe. You go just stand like this. Go pain you. I move it. Why are you drunken? Do you want to be drunkard?
Oh, my wife. I don't know where these boys have been since after their breakfast in this house. Where are they?
No, I don't know where they have been. You know they love hunting for birds. Maybe they're in the bush or somewhere hunting for birds. Or they have gone to see their sister.
That's not what I mean. I have always told them wherever they are going, they should let somebody know their movement.
Nah, don't just start worrying yourself. Everything will be alright. Eh?
You don't understand me. I said I have always told them and I warned them that their movement should be made known to somebody in this house before they go out. Well, let me go to my brother Uzoma.
Don't delay to come back. Oh.
No, I won't. I won't.
Hey! God forbid bad thing. Benji, Mama, I want to see your wife.
Mama, she's resting now.
Resting? Benji, what wife will not be up at this time of the day to do her house chores? Hey! What kind of wife have we gone to marry into this family? Oh? Benji, go and tell your wife that I want to see her now.
Yes, ma'am.
Hi! Wife! Chineke kukwali hojo. Chineke kukwali hojo. God forbid bad thing.
Mama, she said you should wait for her to finish resting.
That I, your mother, her mother-in-law, should wait for her. That she fit until she finish resting. She's mad. As what, Benji? Benji, as what? As Queen of England.
As your son's wife.
What happened?
I sent for you. Yes, I want to know the reason why you are in there, sleeping, as he said. And he's here, doing your house chores for you.
You want to know as what? As Queen of Ghana?
As the mother.
Woman, you is disturbing my sleep. You is disturbing my sleep. And you is crossing your territory into my territory. Like so danced. And I will kill you with otapia. You are hear me now. This man, he be your son.
Yes. And he will continue to remain my son.
That's one I before. You see now, he my property. He be my husband. Yes. Now I warn you for the last time, woman. If you are looking for a man that will be cutting your grass for you, that will be licking your place for you, go and marry a man. Banji, come and cut my grass for
hey!
You. Hey! Grass, make you lick plate.
Benji! Mwam, you are lost forever. You are lost forever, oh! Hey! Benji wants to go and cut grass and lick plate. Hey! Benji! Oh! Benji! Wonder shall never end. Wonder shall never end, oh!
What do you want to do? I want to wait until do that day.
Wait, you want climb?
You know, see now, auntie, now why auntie don't marry? No person go there to do them, so I want to do them. I want to go try them first.
Ikoro! Ikoro! Ikoro!
Watch me now.
Where you they go?
Ikoro. Watch me. Yeah, ma, give you my slippers.
Ikoro!
You don't they call me. Okay, I know they climb again. I don't come back. I won't come down.
Now you sabi, I don't go.
I don't come. Wait for me, I don't come down. Let me climb again. Ikoro. Small the water. Show me now.
Monica, abeg don't kill me. Abeg, I no go do am again. Na my wife pikin ma follow go to. I no go do am again abeg. Na my wife pikin ma follow. Some man don go someone's house. Hey, I thank God na dream.
Which dream? Na lion dey pursue for dream.
Na Monica o.
Monica kwa?
Na so Monica take cutlass dey pursue me, I dey run, dey pursue me, pursue me say I fall down.
She catch you?
He won't catch me, but he still dey pursue me. Carry knife dey pursue me, I dey run. He make that fall, he won't bring the knife. Now I can't know myself.
Hey, why now? Why? Hey.
Waiting.
Okereke. You don't disgrace me finish.
Meaning?
Oh. How you go allow ordinary woman, make you catch you for your run? Say you can't take knife. Can't cut you. Okereke. It should say no be you take your hand for him.
What in that one mean?
Keep quiet. It should say una not do anything for dream.
Do something for dream? I tell you say na dream. He said we do something. They do something for dream.
Now you sabi, but you must swear for me.
For dream, where I lie down here, this is Monica here. Why they talk like this? I tell you say na dream. I don't tell you the truth. The cow was as parent. Now you know.
You go swear for me, because if you not swear for me, this has not go enter us.
Okay. Me you go tell dream, make come swear for you.
This early morning.
No, my brother. Oh, this no way.
Come. Let's go inside. Please sit down. What is it? I hope all is well.
My brother, all is not well, oh.
I hope nobody died.
None yet. It's if we don't do something urgently, my son, I mean my first son will die.
You are joking. Your son? How can he die? Who would want to kill your son?
It's Monica.
Monica.
It's Monica, the girl we went to marry for him. My brother, that girl is a devil.
I don't understand. What happened really?
She has gradually turned my son into a house help.
God forbid your son into a house help. Is that why we sent him there?
My brother, as I speak to you right now, my son now washes her clothes, sweeps even in and outside the compound, cook for her. Why she remain inside?
You don't mean this.
Resting.
You don't mean this.
And whenever I try to go close to my son, whenever I try to come to my son, she will ask me to stay away from him.
Meaning what?
That he's no longer my son.
Meaning what now?
Like, that is why I'm here. Oh.
He is your legitimate son.
No, that is why I'm here. I've come to ask you to come and ask her why.
Okay, don't worry. I am coming right away. It's only that I was going to meet the Igwe. The president came to our village, so we want to receive him. Immediately after that, I'm coming there. I must talk to her and talk to Benji too. Don't worry. You know me now. I am your dear brother.
Igor, what's it? This is our business done the slack well.
See, I get one idea. Huh? Okay, see, if you got this business now, go Auntie Monica place where they marry him. You know, for that place now, people plenty, and they never know us, so they're not gonna know what you carry come. But I'll go back.
Yes. Now good idea. But we'll go consider that one when we come back. How could they go? Before Papa go come out now, come tell us we could do one thing or the other in the house. Then our customers know they like before.
If not because me and you, dear friend, and you don't reach here, I for no listening for the thing where they talk. How my wife would disturb me because of what that dream? What dream?
Dream, ke?
Dream.
Ordinary dream.
Dream, nothing again.
Well, my brother, it is equally the way your wife pressured me that made me to come and see you. She even insisted that I must talk to you before you start to run after that lady.
Brother, the lady way they talk about I don't marry. I there for husband and house. In there for husband and house. No, Monica. Monica.
Okay, don't worry. I'll talk to your wife. Don't worry.
I better talk to her.
Just cool down.
You know what make her drink water keep up.
I say cool down. I'll talk to her.
Benji. Uncle Kanwa. You're welcome. How are you there? Fine. Oh. This one you sit on, sir. Uncle, let me get a seat. Okay. Hey. Thank you very much.
Chris news.
My son's wife. How are you there?
It's good, I see.
Fine. Fine and sit now. Make we talk where to.
No, don't worry. It's okay like this. I stand to talk it.
Anyway, where you carry me come now the wahala they hear about my sister's son. See, you don't turn him into slave. He don't become the wife. When you are the husband, he no go work.
No first, sir, no first. This kind of talk, you know what? Go is buy minerals for Uncle. Uncle cook or minerals?
Mineral and coke.
Minerals,
Okay, let me see. We can be here to be this. Benji! What is it? What's happening? Benji! Look What did you do to my uncle?
I still shine less.
Monica, why?
It's a question. Oh, you are drunk the minerals yourself.
If you
Bring yourself, come back here. Mona, come back here, son.
Now we the talk to him.
No, no, you know. I will not shadow. Mona, they work out the past place. Mona, come, my friend, come back here.
I will commit anything for your hand now.
No, no, no commit anything. Mona, they work out the past senior man. I don't know go greet.
We'll not do anything to you.
Come on, man, on down. Raise up your hand. Raise up your hand, let's talk. Yes.
Okay. Auntie go hear this.
Shut up, eh. This I don't know soon. Auntie don't marry come up for this town. This that time when she did, she go dey harass everybody in here. She even thank God said she no meet me that time. I for tell her where I be.
Ogi. I beg, call auntie, tell her say somebody there they harass us. Say if she dey go make she carry some cans. Plenty came join body.
Call who?
Our sister now.
Me say when I start see they come this side.
Wait until see him. I dey call him.
So you believe say because our sister don't marry, she no come fight for us, Abi? Don't worry, when she come, when you take your eyes see her, now that time your body go hear her.
Wait until see him. I dey call him.
Oh yeah, we could have stand up. We could stand up. Nah, joke.
No.
We could have stand up now.
You say make we down, and see, sun don't touch her body, everything. You won't make we just stand up like that. Now lie.
I joke I did now. I don't joke with you, man. Stand up now. You know me for here now. I'll be free man. No. I joke I did. I don't mean anything. I beg. When I stand up, I don't feel for my sister while I'm there. I make matter just die for me. I beg. I understand. I beg. For even if they find me now with your sister, say no go know where they stay.
We know you like to say we don't know you. We know where we go carry our auntie come meet you.
Hey. Okay, I beg. Make the matter just die for you. I no fit for my sister trouble. I beg.
You go settle the matter now, so that the matter no go talk to auntie.
Okay. I want to settle in amount now.
You go pay 5,000.
Sorry. But you know say that money too much now. I want to raise that kind of money. That money too much, I beg. I don't get that kind of money.
Too much, ke? You reach money we go take go treat our less West and Sun don't enter finish. You know reach.
Okay, I beg. I beg. It be like say I'll just wait make I receive my sister beating.
So, how much you go fee pay?
1,000.
From 5 to 1.
With a beg now, make I see how that beg join her. I know say na me look for na trouble. If you know me very well, I no be like that too. I know they look for anybody trouble. Mo na just with a beg, mo na manage and beg.
Okay. Bring the money. Bring the money.
I'm gonna take a beg.
You don't go collect receipt?
No, take the receipt.
Just don't make 1,000 naira. This is not a joke. This is not a good business. So, what next? Where will they go now?
Well, they say make we go meet auntie. We go auntie side.
Abi, me we go auntie side. Abi, muku just go home.
Muku they go home. The money don't too much for today. Make they go.
Ikoro anogene. Ikoro anogene.
What nonsense is this all the time? What nonsense? Huh? Monica, I married you to come to this house and help me subdue my stubborn siblings, not to enter into competition with my mother. Do you get that? Huh?
Banji, I mean a Bondela be your name. Listen and listen real good. See, it's Oyinbo that you are speaking. Grandma Oyinbo lo nso. And I warn you for the last time. What's how you be talking to me? I warn you. If you are shouting on my head, you know my head is sparking. And while I go there for your head. You know. So.
Listen. She is my mother. And that's what she is. I cannot compromise her for anything. And I don't want anybody to hurt her, not even you. Do you get that?
Monica, I see something. See your life outside, Monica. See this one. You are running your mouth like tap that have Lucy. Well, now, you will souse. In between the two both of us. Your old mama or me, new sassis. When you marry Tiaroba, when man never toss you, marry me Tiaroba. Your mama, you hold. You are born 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 100. 100 picking. See our old sassis. You souse one between us.
I don't blame you. But no matter what you think of her, she is my mother.
And I is your wiving. Yes. You married me now. You told me. You asking for my handy in my marriage in my papa palace. Yes, I lie. Okay, now, henceforth, seeking first, ram first, cow first, anything first, nothing in between the two both of us again together. Go and be slept in with your mother.
What?
Yes, you ask question why, and I answering you. Nothing between the two both of us again till father noticing. Go and slept with your mother. Ending of discussion. Latest model.
I think you have malaria.
Ah, it's a malaria I have.
And I will cure you that malaria.
Let
me go and call.
It's a where you have in your head all day. Arugbo ojo, old school ape, mother for idiots, telling me rubbish, telling me nonsense. Come and carry me all of you now.
Ikoro and Ogene.
Papa.
Come. Get ready to go back to school.
What do you mean by her? Do you want to be like all these illiterates that are roaming in this village doing nothing?
Listen, I did not call you to beg you to go back to school. I have spoken with the headmistress and you are going to return to school tomorrow.
Papa will not figure another school.
No, that is the community school. That school was where I schooled. That is where every important and prominent persons schooled. You cannot change the school.
Papa, they don't sack that Miss Tikontikom.
Why should she be sacked?
I don't know, but it go good well. Because she dey make me dream bad dreams.
Meaning?
She still dey carry cane. Not true.
Canes are meant for people who do not obey rules and regulations. So if you want the canes not to touch you, when you get back there, behave yourself.
That's all.
Papa, excuse, eh?
Case closed, bro. Case closed.
Yes, Ajoya, came here.
Me?
It's a top person plural. Come here. Where is you went into early morning like this? Carrying bag.
I want to go and see my friend.
Mumu. See this compounding. You not swept it. Is it not your papa compounding?
I'll do that when I come back.
You do worst. Come go and put down your bag and come and sweat the compounding for me.
But this appointment is very important to me. The person will be waiting for me there.
Come. You is mad. You know the looking face. You is crazy. Or you are calling the person on your phone. Tell her that you come later.
Excuse me. The person will be waiting for me.
Come. What's your name?
Ada.
Ada. You is talking too much. You know.
I'm sorry. I'll go and sweep it.
Betterment for you. Hey, came back here. You not greet me well this morning.
I did.
How did you greet me?
I said good morning.
To who? Yes, girl.
I'm sorry. Good morning, Auntie Monica.
betterment for you. We are waiting inside now.
Double trouble. Find Monica trouble. She gon' give you double trouble. Monica trouble. Not serious trouble. I say Monica trouble. Very serious trouble. Monica Lewinsky. Alias fighting a fool. Monica Lewinsky. Alias fighting a fool. Monica.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. What do you want?
I see, we hear waiting happen. Now we say we can't see you. And we can't say we will tell you sorry. Then also tell waiting the youth of this village don't plan to do to that woman. We remove your face from waiting God to make him. Now make you come.
I beg. Make una not do anything to anybody. That woman na my sister's son's wife. If una do anything to her, it will affect my sister. I don't carry everything put for God hand.
Ogamas, no be that one chorus come. Wetin make us come? Won't make you just get idea of wetin the youth of this village won't do to that woman when do your face like this.
I beg.
I make us come.
No fight for me. God go fight for. I leave her for God hand. He go fight for me.
Mazi, see. We don't hear what you talk. No problem. We'll come they go. What of your family?
I send my wife and children to the farm. Now let me there house.
You sick, we don't go.
I beg, make una no fight. Make una no fight. Make God fight for me.
Come here.
Good morning, ma. Good morning, sir.
Do I look like a man to you?
No, sir. No, ma. Sorry. Good morning, ma.
So, what and how are you supposed to address me?
I'm supposed to address you for skirt and blouse, ma.
That is not what I mean. Anyways, why are you boys coming to school by this time?
Now, our papa calls him. We asked him to give us free play money. He bring it on time, so we come and wait for him to bring it.
Jesus Christ. Where is this generation going with education?
We won't go get them for classroom. Yes, heading into classroom for education.
Oh, please, come on, run to your classes before you spoil my day with your bad breath.
Okay, thank you, sir. Ma.
Stupid boy.
Sorry, come on. Sorry, ma. Sorry, sir.
You go and again, both of you should come out here. I'm talking to you boys. Out. What is wrong with you boys? Nothing.
Nothing.
This place was cool and calm before two of you appeared here. And you are here telling me nothing. Anyway, I will see both of you later. Please go back to your chair and join them for the test.
Test?
Yes, test.
What? Points of ordering. Okay? When you saw somebody in the morning, first, what do I do?
Good morning.
Points of correction is auntie.
Sorry, good morning, Aunt.
Yes.
Good morning, Auntie.
Yes.
Good morning, Aunt.
It's your mama that is Hans. It's Auntie.
Auntie.
Bearer. Now listen attentively. I have come in to this compound to organization things. Since your brother, he are marrying me, things has to change in this compound. Yeah, so therefore, in the morning when you are waking up, all of you have house things to do in this compound before you do any other things. You, Hada, when you woke up in the morning, you are swept the whole of this compound everywhere. When you are woke up, before you do anything, before you sit, before you piss, as you woke up like this, you just carry broom. If piss they catch you, make you they sweat the compound, sweat them. Where? Yeah. And you, when you are woke up, you are first water. What is first water in Igbo?
Ikumiri.
Why Ikumiri ori eh? Ikumiri, you first water in your head. Ori head is ori in Yoruba. So Ikumiri ori eh? Isi ewu your isi. You Ikumiri honest. Then you will wash all the cloths.
How calling me food that big drum?
Yes. And you, head boy, headward, headmaster, bomb boy, you will polish your brother, that's my husband's shoe. In the morning, I will sweep our rooms. Yeah? Now, listen. Anybody that is failure to do their house shoring, that person will smell in yash. You Ada, try to spend your yash. See if you feel bend out to see. You know if you see him. But if you failure to sweat, Ada, you will smell your yash. I promise you. Say you told. That's how you told. You will bend like crayfish and you will smell your yash. I promising you. Yeah. Now you can haul famous. Famous. Hey, came back here. When they are talk to you, finish what you have said. What you have said?
Thank you, Auntie.
Thank you, Aunt.
You is welcoming. Good. I go do brush all of now.
Mazi Okoro, our people say that when a man does a bass dance, his kinsmen scratch their brows.
That is true.
An elder does not stay at home and watch his goats deliver his babies with a rope around her neck.
That is true again.
Your sons are performing a very bad dance in this community. Very bad dance indeed.
Are you sure of what you are saying, Mazi Kechi?
Am I sure?
Yes.
Reports are coming from all nooks and cranny about how your sons extort money from people using their sister as cover.
Mazi Kechi, can you explain these claims of yours?
I am talking about your sons, Ikoro and Ogene. Are you here? If anybody talks to them, they threaten them using Monica, the fighter. And the person, out of fear, pays them to avoid them going to Monica.
Hey, Mazi Kechi, thank you very much. I didn't know that this very thing is happening under my nose. I will have to investigate this matter and I will treat it accordingly.
Please do. Yes. Don't forget to.
I won't.
I'll be leaving.
Thank you.
It's not possible. I can't take it. I'm tired of you.
Soldier for it.
See, I married you not to come and cause problem and trouble everywhere. Your nana is now affecting me and my people. I don't like it.
Your peoples. So me your peoples are telling you who you are. Say your peoples that want to kill you dead. Yeah, he's calling them your peoples.
Let me ask you. Why did you beat up my uncle, Okolokanwa? Why did you beat him up?
Who be your uncle? Who is your uncle?
My mother's brother that came to talk to me. You beat him up. And now the youth from that side are coming to deal with you.
Oh, this coming. Are you fearing for me? Oh, Bangi. Doesn't fearing for me. Mwah. Don't forget, say me. Na Monica Lewinsky, aka Feist na food. Eh? They never play series. Me I go photocopy their safe call. One by one, don't they? Take that. Wait, see. Say who die? Better not try me, oh. Leave, oh.
Next thing I want you to do, and that you must do now, cross over and apologize to my mother over the way you talked to her last time.
You is stupid.
Go,
Yes, you is stupid.
You say?
For saying that, I should go apologetic to your mama.
Hey.
You is a capital fool.
Eh?
Say that your mama that want to snatch my husband for me. Oh, so you, your mother, your sister, your brother is planning to use me for pepper soup. Like Ole Sele, can never happen. No construction of a husband, brother, sister, mother against Monica Lewinsky, aka Feist food, shall prosper. Una never play series. Go and photocopy una safe. Come on. I'm willing to brush all of now.
It's my mother you're talking about. Do you know that? It's my mother.
Hey, shut up! Eh? You don't make me the para. Banji! You don't make me the vex. They boil like mountain with fire. If you talk too much, they will brush you. Shut up now!
You can't do anything. I say you can't do anything. You're my wife. I married you. You can't intimidate me.
Shut up.
If you want trouble, hey,
what is this? What is this? Hey, Papa!
Find Monica
Mama!
Monica trouble, not serious trouble. I say Monica trouble, very serious trouble. Monica Lewinsky, alias fighting a fool.
Good afternoon.
Afternoon. Three of you, bring your school bags. Let me inside.
School bags?
Yes.
There's nothing inside.
The books I bought for you, throw them away.
I'm sorry. Papa, be careful. There's razor blade inside the bag.
What is razor blade doing in your school bag?
We're using it to cut our pencils when the mouth is not sharp.
No problem. This is not your school uniform. So what is he doing inside your school
It's
bag?
ordinary dress, Papa.
Ordinary dress.
Papa, Auntie Monica, it belongs to Auntie Monica. She forgot it inside our bag.
Okay. So this belongs to Monica, eh?
Yes, no.
Yes, no, meaning
Yes, no.
All right.
What is it? What is it? What did they do this to you now?
Just kidding.
Who?
Monica.
Hey!
You just beating me mercilessly. Beating me just because I told her to stop disrespecting you, Mama.
What is all this nonsense again now? What devil did we bring into this house? Why will she beat you up like this now?
She wants to kill your first son. Mama, I will die. I will die.
No, you will not die.
I will die.
You will not die.
Your son will die.
You will not die.
Your first son will die here.
Monica, you will not kill my son. No, Monica. Monica, it will not be well with you. Your plans will not work in this. Oh, sorry. Monica, your plans will not work in this house.
Hold my head.
So let me have this. The two of you, are you now ready to tell me the truth, or should I act on the information I have already? Should I go ahead and deal with you?
Make I talk.
Go ahead.
It's a small sharp guy business. One small good idea they do with Auntie Monica.
I'm listening. Go ahead.
Because people they fear Auntie Monica. So we can't start looking for trouble business.
Looking for trouble business or looking for trouble business? How?
Yes, so if anybody look for trouble, we go tell them, say we go tell Auntie Monica. Because they fear Auntie Monica. They come begin beg us not to tell her. Then they go find us, they go settle us.
Settle you with a house or with a
Find
motor?
us money.
Businessman. So you people have been going round the village extorting money from people.
Papa, we know they start money from people. Now Roger, they Roger us. Because they fear if we go tell Auntie Monica, she go come and beat them. Now because of that, they will come the Roger us.
My children are older and bigger than myself with their sense. Oh, shut up money. This ain't a Roger. Get me my cane behind there. Let me Roger your buttocks.
Your cane?
Yes.
Outside.
From the backyard. Let me Roger your buttocks. Get this.
Get this back. Let me go and get it. Don't worry.
Yes.
You gotta come. Let us go.
Both of you cannot go at the same time. Stay here. Let me go and get it.
Let's get the cane. I want Roger.
Sorry, Sorry. It's you that is causing it.
It's painful, darling. It's painful.
I will not allow the man who shot at me to be the one to remove the bullet. God forbid. Benji, I am ashamed of you as my son. I am highly ashamed of you. Why will you allow this girl to touch you? Where is your senses, Benji?
But she's my wife.
Oh,
darling, warn your mother. You is the one that said I should respect her. She's not respecting me.
Mama, it's okay. I don't want trouble. Mama.
It's not okay. It's not okay. Why will you allow the same woman who gave you this injury to be the one to be attending to you, Benji?
Hey, woman, I'm warning you. You just want to wake the tiger inside me.
You cannot do anything, young lady. Mama. You cannot do anything. What can you do? You cannot do anything.
Darling, it's okay. Mama.
You cannot do anything.
Hey.
What is it?
Oh.
Darling.
Get in behind me, Satan.
Mama.
Get in behind me, Satan.
Go to and sit down. Cannot do anything.
I shall not fall in your temptation.
Hey, darling,
warm your
okay.
mama.
Leave me alone. Leave me. Leave me. Leave me. You caused all this rubbish. Leave me.
Mama, it's okay. Darling. Mama.
It is better to search for a black goat when the sun is on. Because if it becomes dark, you may never get the goat. We will not stay and watch our palm fruits decay in the bush. If we do nothing, that woman that is married to one of our kinsmen, she will disgrace us here.
I've never seen a thing like this in my life. I even heard that she beat up her husband.
Oh.
And if we don't do anything now, if we don't stop her, she will teach our wives to be beating us. When she beat Okanwa, she has also beaten us.
Yes.
And we cannot continue to close our eyes as if nothing is happening. We must do something now.
The best thing is it not for us to talk to her father, to take her and pull her ears a little.
You are in the right direction, my brother. The right thing to do, my kinsmen, is just that. If we leave that woman alone, she will disgrace us before our wives. Look at it, red cap chiefs. Red cap chiefs. In this community.
Who does she even think she is?
A woman. I got what is this? A woman.
Ogene, why are you people walking like that?
We get accident.
Point of correction, not accident. Class, what is it called? Accident. No, wrong. Joy, now tell us the right pronunciation.
Accident.
Oh, you are wrong. John, what is it called?
Accident.
That is wrong. Now listen, everybody. If anybody get the right pronunciation, the person will get a bottle of mineral from me. Have I made myself clear?
Yes.
Now, Mary, tell us.
Accident.
Oh my God, it's also wrong. It's called accident. Everybody say accident.
Accident. Accident.
Now, Iko and Ogene, what kind of accident are you involved?
Accident.
What type of vehicle is that?
It's a long vehicle that our father used to drive on our bottom. If very long one.
Good. Good for you boys. That is exactly what happened to disobedient children like both of you. Eh? Now, class, stand up. Let's go back to our multiplication. 2 times 1.
Eli, well done.
Thank you.
When are you coming back from the meeting so that I will know when to start cooking your food? Because I don't want it to get cold before you come back.
Go ahead and prepare it. I don't actually know when we shall close, but at any time when I come back, you can still warm it for the food to be hot.
Okay.
They destroy my temper, Papa. I keep it, Papa.
Oh, Guinea, kwa.
Mama, wait. Mama, leave. Papa, I swear on your life, Papa.
God forbid.
Papa, go keep mercy on your life. Oh, no.
Are you mad?
No, I know, Papa. But
hey, shut up.
Thanking you, I shut up.
Monica, how can you storm into my compound without even greeting us? Eh? Before you start talking your rubbish.
Papa, no face. He's the angry, no infection that he do me. I make it to the para. Papa, good afternoon. Good afternoon.
You are welcome.
What is boiling in the pot, Monica?
Papa. What a question you ask. What are boiling in the pot? I won't know. She me I just enter. Now, Mama, wait, Papa say waiting the boil for pot.
That is not what he meant. He's asking you why you are angry.
I don't know. Mama, no be just angry, oh. Mama not angry, annoying, sexy. Now they do me, Mama. You here? And they boil like Cameroon mountain. I want to vomit hot poison. Oh no, Papa.
Please, tell me. Say what brought you here, because I have no time in the world. I'm late for a meeting. What brought you here?
Papa. Papa, what question you ask? What brought me here? What will brought me here? I get carry, I get keke. It's my leg wagon that brought me here.
Monica, your father wants to know why you are angry and not vexed.
I don't know that's what Papa in me. Sorry you.
Good. Go straight to the point. And, you know, I have no time in the world. I don't have time.
It's true, Papa. You are not have time, true. Where your time? Mama, where Papa reach wash?
Monica, that is not what your father meant. What he's telling you is that say what you want to say fast because he doesn't have time.
Oh, Mama. It's my husband, Mama. Shall make me hungry and not facing. No, Papa, I go hang down, Mama. Hey, please don't do so. I thought Mama big rich, Papa, I go hang down.
Don't do so.
Monica, your mother-in-law. I go.
It's okay.
Monica, come. Leave. Come inside. Leave. Monica, come. Monica, come. Leave. It's okay. Leave.
My daughter, come
I don't think so.
Sit down.
Hey,
you want to pull the house down?
Monica.
Sit down.
Monica, you're a woman, Mama, leave. You're a woman. All those small, you are fin boys that you are born. They be mans. Baby.
It's okay.
Baby.
Silent class. Igor and Ogele, what is the matter with you? Why are you disturbing the whole class?
The accident is burning us.
Do you want to go home?
Yes, sir. Thank you. Yes, ma. Yes, ma.
Is this how you are going to pass this class and move to another?
Yes, sir. Yes, ma.
Oya, start going home. Go and take care of your wound. When you get better, you can come back to school.
Thank you, ma.
But before you go, you have some tests to answer. So I can find justification to grade you at all. What is the present test for went?
Wanted. Stand.
What is the past tense of smell? What is the past participle for speak? Like we have bad was worst, young younger, youngest. So what about speak?
Speak, speaker, talkative. Speak, spoke, sparked.
What about pure?
Pure. Pure water.
Finally, make a sentence with task force.
Task force. Task force is the people that the people when they use gun to collect 20 naira from drivers for main road. Task force is the people when they drive one way, they go slow. When you come, they come. Opposite. Tipper. Opposite. When you come, they are coming. The same face to face. Tipper. Task force. Now, each tipper.
You can go.
Hey, thank you. Thank you, sir. Thank you. The EV class goes hold up for road.
My daughter, it is said that a word is enough for the wise. Behave yourself when you go to your husband's house. See your mother-in-law as your own mother. Please try to respect her at all times. Huh?
Papa, point of order and correction. She are not like my mother. She are hate my mother. Is a difference. That woman, I don't respect me, and I don't respect her. She has not seen my husband. If she has tried anything again, I'll beat the devil out of her head.
Please don't.
Monica, listen to your father and do what he says.
But I don't pay no sorrow.
A warning.
I don't want you.
I have finished with you. So when you go there, behave yourself.
Okay, Papa. But what me I want to talk? I hear what you are saying, but I not take. What me I want to talk is, if they look for my job, Papa, I kick them like Jackie Chan there. My God, Papa.
No, I will never be in the water and have soap enter my eyes. No, God forbid. Meme. I will not be here and watch that witch come here to destroy my own son. No way!
I be soldier, fighting my enemies in the name of justice. I shall kill them. I shall kill. Let run, let run, let run. I be soldier, fighting my enemy in the name of. I shall kill them. I shall kill them. I be soldier, fighting my enemy.
My son, what do you want us to do now? What do you want us to do?
Mama, that is my problem. What do you want us to do? What are we going to do? Huh? Mama, that woman Monica is tough.
Hey.
Very tough. I'm afraid of her. Huh? See, our kinsmen said they are coming to chase her away from the house.
Hey.
But I'm afraid. If they chase her away, she'll come after me. She'll think I'm the cause.
No, don't talk like that, my son. Don't talk like that. See, you don't have to be afraid of her. See, she will not do you anything. She will not do anything. See, as soon as they drive her away from this place, she will not come here and fight you again. Do you hear me?
Stop crying now, Mama. Don't cry. I beg you, there's a way out. Mama, go to your house. Go to your house.
The name of justice.
Hey, wait, Chibo. Hey.
I shall conquer. In the name of justice, I shall conquer. Okay.
Papa.
What are you doing sitting down there doing nothing? Are you not going to school?
Papa, our miss said that we will not go. She said we could not come to school till father notice.
Meaning?
We not go to school till our bottom don't good.
What is wrong with your bottom?
It is painful. You can't use it to sit on top of the class.
See, that is what you get from being naughty. Huh? Come, let me see. Come, both of you.
I want to see it.
Why are you walking like ducklings like that? Huh?
Papa, now the cane where you use cane house, now they make us walk like ducklings.
That is what you get from being naughty. Go inside, let me take a look at it properly.
Monique. What is the matter with you?
Left me alone.
Why are you looking like this now? What's the problem? Any problem?
Sebi, I gone to meet your wife. Go and marry your mother.
Monica, she is not my wife. She's my mother. You are my wife. It's you are married.
But she are the one that telling you what to do does or whatever. She are not the one. Go and meet her now. When you are tired and came back, I will took you. Simple.
No, it's not like that. Monique.
You mad? Where are you waiting to? You want to go and meet your mother, Abby? Go, but don't come back here.
My people, if we say we should wait any longer, then this woman will put us into real trouble. Don't we have men in this community? We must do as we have said to chase her back to her father. Mazo Zibo, I want to tell us that no man can be bigger than his community. Nobody.
I'm happy that Mazikech is here, representing his people just like any of us. And the person in question is his kinswoman. And I hope he's agreeing with us.
The stranger that will kill his host will grow a big hunchback on his way back. It is not a bad thing to go and marry a woman and put her where she will help in a house. Eh? This one is becoming something else. All of us here, including the youth, are going to send her back as demanded by the traditional custom of this land.
Thank you, my people. Nobody who does not want peace in his life. Benji, as you all know, is my brother. Though we intermarry. As such, I will not stay and see him die in the hand of a woman, no matter whom the woman is.
Yes.
If she refuses to submit herself under a man as a woman, then she has to go back to the father.
Can you imagine?
Knowing Okoro very well, I am sure, very much sure, that he will not stay and see that one kill the husband.
Elders, I greet you all. I stand to speak on behalf of the youths in this village that we are fully in support in any decision you take in this meeting.
So, elders, when will this action be carried out?
Can't do anything. I will stand against you in all form. You cannot do anything. You are just a rat, a small rat.
It's warming you. You is wanting me to do what you are wrong for you. I warn you carefully.
You cannot do anything. See, if you think you are a witch, I am a greater witch. Then if you think you can fight, I fought greater than you, harder than you when I was your age. So you cannot do anything to me.
Well, hungry is angry me. Oh. He will turn to annoying.
Bring it.
If you are annoying, finish.
Yes.
He don't.
Monica.
Bring it. Bring it.
Huh?
You want to put your mouth.
What is it? Ah, Monica! Monica!
Yes!
Monica, what? Hey! Die! Monica! Mama! Monica! Hey! Hey! Monica! Monica! Mama! Hey! Mama! Mama! Hey! Monica, just killed Mama! Mama! Just killed Mama! Monica! Can you see what I went and brought it? You see what you went and brought this? Monica! Monica!
Mazoko, we have returned what you gave to us. Yes. Because she did not favor us at all.
Yes.
She did not favor us.
Yes.
She has caused so many troubles to us and the entire village.
Yes.
She's a winch. As we talk to you right now, the husband, the mother-in-law are bruised and wounded, lying critical in the hospital. Winch. We don't want her near our relations anymore.
Yes.
If we do, we are going to deal with her mercilessly.
Yes.
That is the message.
Monica Balalo.
Mazokoro! Where Papa? What happened? Papa! Carry Papa! Carry Papa! No think now. Nothing happened to Papa and Mama.
No, they said they will die. Their blood is pumping high.
Like, there is no die. We pray so that they not die.
Uncle, where my Papa? Is he coming back?
They're not coming at all.
Why?
They are dead. You have killed them.
We have to run away from this village. Tomorrow we have to run away.
Auntie, why?
Because I hear say village people, there is plan to kill us because we are killing our Papa and Mama.
But where will they run go now?
Me, I don't know. It's anywhere our head, our destiny, Ori, he carry us go. That's where we are go. Tomorrow very early we are running away home.
One buy trouble for sale. This not trouble for sale, yo. Trouble for sale. Abi, you want buy trouble for sale. It is very, very affordable. Trouble for sale. Very reasonable. Trouble for sale. The price is very affordable. Trouble for sale. Very reasonable. Trouble for sale. Ikoro anogene. Ikoro anogene. I never see this kind boys before. I never see this kind children before. Very stubborn and troublesome. Very, 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 very worrisome. Anywhere them go, na so palava. Anywhere them go, na so ahala. For school, yo. For house, yo. For street, yo. Anywhere. So they then don't begin sell trouble.